I'm gonna mix it just a little bit because at this point, it's, we start blacking on the damages. So we're gonna go one more time with the filler and make sure everything sits, because the higher, okay, you build, you put more filler and stuff. So when you sand, everything's gonna be, even and stuff. So it's better, okay, you add, okay, more filler than less filler. So you always need to add more to the damage than less. You don't want to put less, because if you put less, sometimes, okay, you have to go back, do it again. So might as well, okay, you build high and then you sand, and then everything's gonna be even. So that's the best way. So I take the putty again. And then I use my hardener. And then stir everything. And then I go back to the damage again. Please, okay, this water hose gotta go on time.